Hi friends, I am back with my channel Knowledgeable Strategies. Today I am going to speak about the cell references in Excel. So let's start with it. Today I am going to speak on the topic cell references in Excel. That is relative reference, absolute reference, mixed reference. First I will be providing the definition and then I will provide you the calculation how we can calculate relative, absolute and mixed reference. First I am providing you the definition. What does it mean? Firstly, relative reference. If relative reference is used in a formula and the formula is copied to another location, then row as well as column can change. In relative reference, if a formula is used, that formula you can copy in other location, like the row as well as column can change. In relative reference, dollar sign is not used. You don't use the dollar sign. Like example A1. What is the number provided in A and 1? You will copy the same. Like no dollar is used. No dollar sign is used. Same formula will be copied next. Now absolute reference. In absolute reference is used in a formula and the formula is copied to another location, then row as well as column cannot change. Row as well as column cannot change. In absolute reference, formula is copied to another location, but the row as well as column cannot change. We use two dollar signs are used, like one before the column and one before the row. Example $A, $1. So you copy the formula, but row as well as column cannot change. Both would be the same. And we use the two dollar signs. In relative reference, no dollar sign is used. In absolute reference, we use two dollar signs. If in mixed reference is used in a formula, the formula is copied to another location. Either row can change or either column can change, but both will not change together. You either use before the row dollar sign or before the column dollar sign is used. One can be changed. In mixed reference, only one dollar sign is used, either before the column or either before the row. Example $A1 or $1 before row or before column. I provided the definition for relative, absolute and mixed reference. Now I will be providing the calculation for relative, absolute and mixed reference. We will start with the relative reference. The rows and columns can change. Both can change over here. So we will apply the formula plus it's 30. So this will be the C8 plus C9. Like row and column both can change over here. No dollar sign is used. Same way we will use over here. So it is D7 plus D8 and here is D8 plus D9. So no dollar sign is used and the row and column can change in relative reference. Over here now the absolute reference. But dollar sign, two dollar signs can be used both, either before the row and before the column. Both we can use. So we will be using both. It is compulsory in relative reference you have to use the two dollar sign before the row and before the column. This will apply the same in the next cell. The answer will be the same all over. Wherever you put, the answer will be the same because we are using the dollar sign. So dollar sign, the row or the column values don't change. It remains the same. In relative reference, the values change. In absolute reference, you use the $2 sign and the values cannot change. Now in mixed reference, we can use either $1 sign either before the row or before the column. So $1 sign here, $1 sign before the same. We will go for the next one. So over here, we had $17 plus $18. So one of either of the one can change. So $18 is the same, but the $18 has changed. So either of the one gets changed. Either you can change your row, either column can change. And $1 sign is used. Now we'll see over here. The $17 is the same, but this is changed. E. So the row is changed, the column is the same because there is a dollar sign. One of the parts will change, either the row or the column. Same goes with your $18 is the same. $18 has changed from the before one. $17, $18. So in this way, in relative reference, row, column both can change. In absolute reference, no, the row as well as column cannot change, but you can use both. So the column dollar sign before the row as well as before the column, you can use $2 sign. In mixed reference, you can use $1 sign before row or before column. So this is all about cell references in Excel. If you like my video, press the like button. If you have any queries, then comment in the comment section. Do share my video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.